Hey everyone, so here is Parageek HQ app. I think super smart idea. So it's only 33 megabytes. So to install it on iPhone, just tap get and confirm with your password or Touch ID, and yeah, just do that. And the idea is that you combine all your gig apps in one place. So for example, maybe you're a Lyft driver or Uber driver or Uber Eats, or you're delivering via Instacart, or all these apps and many other gig works. Just put them in one place, and yeah, and then you can just track all your revenue, daily earnings, and automatically track your earnings in one place. And yeah, so you can just set your goals and connect with other people, join the community, and all of that. So super cool, and no wonder that this app is in top charts right now. And then you just need to sign up using your phone number, or use like Apple ID or Google or other apps. So I'll just create an account. Then there you have it. That's the overview. That's your account. There you have it. You can add your profile picture, and then yeah, you can just see all your earnings and see your account, see your driving tips, and all of that. So something like that. So you can just play with this app, and super cool idea.